Have you ever imagined a forgotten world, a complete ecosystem existing right beneath our feet? This isn't a scene from a science fiction film. This is a real journey, deep into the earth, to awaken a colossal world that has always been hidden. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the greatest natural wonders of the world, Doong Cave, located deep inside Phong Nha, Ca Bang National Park, Quang Binh, Vietnam. Doong Cave was officially discovered in 2009 and quickly gained worldwide